Important to note as far as what Rahul Gandhi is also being seeing on the current voting pattern, because he is now also supporting sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Of course, we have seen them together when it comes to political campaign in Wayanad. And here is Rahul Gandhi, who seems to be appealing for his sister Priyanka Gandhi and reaching out to the masses there in Wayanad, where he goes on to say that I'm reaching out to my family in Wayanad this election. My sister Priyanka Gandhi is ready to be your voice in parliament. She will be more than just a representative. She will be your sister, your daughter, your advocate. I am confident that she will help unlock Wayanad's full potential. I urge all of you to come out, vote and support her. Let's ensure a resounding victory together, unquote. That is how Rahul Gandhi has also been reacting. Let's quickly get in a word from Imran. Imran, of course, what issues that the opposition has been raising, Priyanka Gandhi calls it as nothing but noise. In fact, she's been also going out, reaching out to the masses as possible as the voting is underway.
Well, absolutely, 20% voting is what we're getting to know has been done so far. And we are at Kallara place, very close by here. The landslide happened and it was a big disaster in Kerala. And after that, this by-election is happening here. And as you said earlier, the Priyanka retorted to the contesting from Wayanad, a safe seat. She said that, she's been in politics for 35 years. And how can the BJP say she's chosen a safe seat? We also hear, along with some of the voters here, let me take us to understand what are the issues important for them. इस इलेक्शन में आपके लिए क्या इशू था, क्या इशू इम्पोर्टेंट था आपके लिए?
इम्पोर्टेंट इधर ഫുഡ് ഭക്ഷണത്തിന്റെ പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ വേറെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളൊന്നും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല.
लोकल प्रोडक्शन इज व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. आपको क्या इस इशू पे मुद्दे पे वोट किया आपने?
अयाल ജയിക്കുമെന്നാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. പ്രിയങ്ക.
ओके, द कैंडिडेट पे आपने वोट दिया है.
हाँ, प्रियंका.
लेकिन इशू मैन एनिमल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, नाइट ट्रैफिक बैन है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट इशू आपके लिए?
അപ്പം മലയാളം
മലയാളം में बोलिए.
ചോദ്യം.
ओके, नाइट ट्रैफिक बैन होने इशू ഉണ്ട്? हाँ, डीके शिवकुमार ने कहा कि वो प्रियंका गांधी जीतेंगी तो नाइट ट्रैफिक बैन हटा देंगे.
हमको मालूम नहीं है.
So the local issues is what the voters have voted for. Some have voted for the candidate. So her popularity is quite immense here in this part of the district, and since it is traditionally been a Congress vote, so there's no surprise there that she also chose a safe seat.
Right.
An allegation by the BJP, and so you can see on the ground that
Imran currently is reporting from is very close to the area, as he said, where there's the deadly landslide that had been witnessed, and of course taking that as far as all of the work that has been done to restore the place. Rahul Gandhi and all has been also saying that the impact of tourism is also something that is important to boost the tourism factor after this deadly landslide that had occurred this year in Wayanad. Let's also listen in to the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi.
I have come here not as the candidate but as a campaigner. As I already mentioned to you, I'm already your unofficial member of parliament. So I don't need to stand as the official member of parliament.